subscribe button, comment and subscribe. Oh my gosh. What's up? It's Mac. Hey guys, what's up? Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks again for watching and tuning in to this week's video. This week's video is a little different from what I usually do, but it is technically a DIY video. What I'm showing you guys is how to cut your lace front wig, and this is a requested video by one of my friends on Facebook. Actually, a few people have requested this video. I'm going to show you guys the wig that I got, and I'm going to link it below where you can purchase it. I'm going to show you how to cut it, then I'm going to show you how to put it on. The wig I'm about to show you guys is from AliExpress, and it is a synthetic wig. If you're not familiar with lace front wigs, a lace front wig is when you get it in the mail or at the store, it has this on here, then this netting, and all you have to do is cut it, and it looks more realistic if you get a lace front wig. I know that some people are scared to try it out and they're scared they're gonna cut too much off, but it's really not that hard to cut it, and it may not be the correct way, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. This is just personally what I do. I think this wig cost me about 40 bucks, which is really good for a lace front wig. So AliExpress has been the best place for me to get these kind of wigs. There are a lot of people on Instagram that sell them, but they do cost a little bit more. And the texture of this wig is really nice. I really do like it. It's not shedding. I mean, it's just shedding like very little. So I'm pulling on it and it's not too bad. It's really not. And it's, when you first get it, it is gonna shed a little more. So just keep that in mind. Okay, so let me show you guys how I cut this lace front wig, and then I'll show you how I put it on. All right, so here's the part that you have to cut off. So I'm gonna start from the edges here, and I just have a regular pair of scissors. You don't need anything special, and just make sure that you keep all the hair out of the way as much as you can, but it's okay if you cut a little bit. Don't be afraid if you cut some off, like it's fine. You want to cut as close to the hairline as you can. If you don't cut enough off, you can always go back. Make sure you take your time with it too. You know, you don't have to rush. You may have to go back and trim it up a little bit. Once you've got your wig trimmed the way that you want it, now it is time to comb it out. So I have a wide tooth comb that I use, and it actually has coconut oil in it, so it's better for your wigs and for your hair. This is also great for wet hair, but I'm just gonna brush it through real quick. Sometimes I'll do this before and after when I put it on, just to get any tangles out. And the good thing with lace front wigs, even though it's synthetic, it's not shedding a lot, and it's a lot better quality than those cheap party wigs you get, you know, at Party City. And this one is gonna last me a much longer time. So using this brush really helps keep the style of the wig as well. So you always want to keep the original style of the wig. I mean, unless you want to change it, but I definitely don't want to change this one. I'm going to show you guys how I put on my wigs. Before I put my wig on, I take this elastic headband, and I get these from Dollar Tree or just any dollar store or Walmart. I'm going to put it like this and pull my hair back, and then I have a hair tie that I just pull my hair back with. And I usually just put it in a ponytail. It just depends. If you want to put it in a bun, you can, but sometimes with a bun it'll show in the back, so just be careful with that. I like the ponytail because I'll show you guys why in a second. And sometimes it can be a problem to do ponytails, but I'll show you how you can fix that. So what I do with my ponytail, make sure it's pretty tight, not too tight, because you don't want to get a headache. I flip it up on my head, and I put my head down, and then I put my wig on. And as far as the hooks go, they are adjusted the way I want them, and the clips, I will just stick those in my head as I go. So it's in there pretty good right now. And then I'll take my comb again, or a brush. Sometimes I do use a brush on a straight wig, and I'll just run it through real quick. Make sure all the tangles are out. Make sure it looks nice, no frizziness. And then I tuck the little hooks in if they're sticking out, and I just go through and tuck my hair in. And I know sometimes with if you have really long hair, my hair is getting longer, so it's going to be a problem now. Sometimes the ponytail will get in the way of your hairline right here, and what you can do to fix that is just take the hairs and like kind of push them back. It's really easy. You just literally have to like pull your wig out, reach under, and just kind of poke it under. That's just what I do. This wig fits really good too. I love the fit of this because not all wigs feel the same. All right, so I'm really happy with how it's cut. I think it looks really nice. I know a lot of times, I also wanted to say before in this video that people will cut where the hair is at the end here, like they'll cut some of that hair off, and I just don't. I mean, I think it looks fine the way it is, but you know, that's just my, you know, that's just my way of doing it. That's just what I like, and I think it looks fine. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I hope this video was super helpful to you guys, and I hope that it was clear. I hope that you can cut your lace front wigs easily, and don't be scared to do it. It's not that hard. It only takes a few minutes, and really it's just cut to your liking. So I know some people, they'll put the wig on and then they'll cut it like this way. They'll start with the part right here, and I just start from the end. That's just how I do it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You can give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, it helps my channel. It's engagement. So thank you guys so much for watching. Jack and I will see you in our next video.